Imagine discovering a dusty old coin in a drawer, brushing off the grime, and suddenly realizing you might be holding something worth tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's exactly the kind of story that gets people glued to the screen until the very end. Because what if the coin you casually slipped into your palm is one of the rarest U.S. quarters ever minted, a 1927 issue whose value can soar into the six-figure range? Today, we'll dive deep into the history, the rarity, the dramatic auction results, and most importantly, the jaw-dropping potential value of the 1927 quarter, or quarters, that have become legends in the world of coin collecting. Let's start with the basics. The quarter in question is the Standing Liberty Quarter Series, struck from 1916 to 1930, designed by Herman A. McNeil. Its artistic design, with Liberty standing, shield in hand, olive branch raised, makes it one of the most evocative U.S. coin types of the 20th century. The 1927 issue comes in three mint varieties: the Philadelphia, no mint mark, the Denver, D, and the San Francisco, S, strikes. Each of them has its own story, its own degree of rarity, and its own place in the collector world. Of the three, the 1927 S is by far the most coveted. Why? Because San Francisco struck only 396,000 of these quarters in 1927, making it the second lowest mintage in the Standing Liberty series. Only the inaugural 1916 issue is scarcer in many conditions. Cointrackers.com. +4. PCGS. +4. Coin-identifier.com. +4. But raw mintage numbers only tell part of the story. Many of those coins circulated, suffered wear, were lost or melted down, and only a handful remain in mint or near mint condition today. One of the most important factors in valuing a 1927 S is whether it carries the full head, FH, designation, meaning Liberty's head details, helmet, facial features, etc., are fully struck and preserved. Only a very few 1927 S quarters in existence meet that standard. PCGS. +2. Coin World. +2. In circulated or lower grades, the 1927 S is already rare and commands premiums. According to recent guides, in good, G4, condition it might fetch around $65 and in fine, F12, perhaps $160 or more. PCGS. +2. Coin Study. +2. But when you reach extremely fine, XF40, or about uncirculated, $50 status, the price accelerates sharply. In those grades, the 1927 S might sell for $900 or more. Coin Study. +2. PCGS. +2. Now, let's talk nuts and bolts, mint state, MS, examples and especially full head mint state examples. These are the holy grails. A PCGS MS65 FH 1927 S quarter has been estimated around $240,000. PCGS. The record, however, is more dramatic. One 1927 S graded MS66 FH achieved $258,500 in a heritage auction. PCGS. +2. Coin-identifier.com. +2. Another MS65 full head sold for $176,250 in a heritage sale. Most rare quarter 2023 $D value and history, and create a excitement in the intro for grab the viewers to the end of my video, and make sure write big value of this coin's hundred to thousands of thousands or more, 700. ChatGPT said. Absolutely. Here's a high-impact YouTube video intro and full script segment for your video on the most rare 2023 D quarter dollar, designed to grab attention, build excitement, and keep viewers watching, especially if you're aiming to go viral among coin collectors, treasure hunters, and casual viewers alike. Clapperboard video title idea. Rare 2023 D quarter worth thousands. You could have one in your pocket. Firecracker hook / Antiro, excitement booster. Studio microphone, on screen, dramatic music, zoom in on a gloved hand holding a shiny 2023 D quarter. What if I told you that a single quarter, just 25 cents, could be hiding in your change and be worth not just hundreds, but thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars? This isn't a myth. The 2023 D quarter has some versions that collectors are scrambling to find, and you might have one sitting in your pocket right now. In this video, we're diving deep into the 2023 D quarter dollar, its hidden history, what makes it rare, and how much it's really worth. So don't blink, you might miss a coin that could change your life. Make sure to watch until the end. I'll show you exactly what to look for, including mint errors that could turn your 25-cent coin into a $25,000 jackpot. Gemstone 2023 D quarter dollar, history and rarity breakdown. Mint mark, D, Denver Mint. Series, American Women Quarters Program. Key figure, 1 example Bessie Coleman Quarter, 2023 D. Mantelpiece clock history. The 2023 D quarter is part of the American Women Quarters Program, celebrating iconic women in U.S. history. In 2023, 5 designs were released, each honoring different women, including Bessie Coleman, first African American and Native American woman pilot. Edith Kanekali, Hawaiian composer and cultural icon. Eleanor Roosevelt, First Lady, human rights leader. Jovita Idar, Mexican-American journalist and activist. Maria Tallchief, America's first prima ballerina. Each of these coins was minted in both Philadelphia, P, and Denver, D. Moneybag Rare Varieties and Values, 2023 D quarters. Now here's where it gets exciting. Certain error coins and low population varieties from the Denver Mint are already making waves in the collector community. Magnifying glass tilted left, look for these rare errors. Die cracks/die chips, often appear around the nose, hat, or hands of the figure. Cuds/retained cuds, raised, blob-like errors from broken dies. Double die obverse, DDO, doubling of inscriptions or images. Off-center strikes, coins struck with misaligned dies. Struck through errors, objects or materials leave impressions on the coin. Type of coin, description, value. Normal 2023 D circulated 25 cents to $1. Bessie Coleman DDO error, sharp doubling on details, $150 to $500 plus. Major die break, cut error, large cut on face/hat, $500 to $2,000 plus. Off-center strike, greater than 50%. Rare misstrike, $1,000 to $5,000. Mint state/graded MS, 68 plus, population rarity, $2,000 to $7,500 plus. Struck through error, object impression in coin, $5,000 to $25,000 plus. White heavy checkmark, top auction price reported, so far. A certified mint state 2023 D quarter with a major mint error, sold for over $10,000 at auction. Direct hit, closing call to action. So the next time you're handed change at a store, check your quarters. That tiny coin could hold a big surprise. Don't throw away your fortune, inspect it. Magnifying glass tilted left, got a 2023 D quarter. Look for those rare errors and consider getting it graded. And if you think you found a valuable one, drop a comment, I'll help you verify it. Brain, hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe so you never miss the next hidden treasure in your pocket. Would you like a YouTube thumbnail idea or video tag/description next?